Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna do something inside the house. My mom gave me a challenge. Don't mind my hair, okay? Just focus on this. So my mom gave me a challenge. We have this very old bed set, and you can see how bad it is, right? It's very bad in shape. And the thing is, it's so old, and it's been part of my mom's, I guess, for 25 plus years. She doesn't want to get rid of it, and she gave me a challenge to paint it. So we're gonna paint it and restore all this. First, we have the paint right here. It's a chocolate wooden color, and my helper for today is my little brother. Hello. What's up?
Everything's good.
Everything is good. You better practice your English, boy. So, okay, this looks like mess. It's a mess. Let's get it started. So first, let's see what we have. Oh shit. Looks like we have a whole lot of cleaning to do before we can get to painting. If I don't clean this, the paint is not gonna stick, so yeah, fun parts. This bed is older than me. Hello. My mom got it even before I was born, so she has like this bond to it. I don't know why old people love the old things, you know? They should learn how to get with the new things. They got that. This is not a person. I don't know why my mom is attached to it. But if she wants me to do it, then I'll just do it. You know what I'm saying? Actually, I want to do this biggest one first. Actually, let's do the small one. It's dirty. Okay. What the hell? Spider. So it was sunny like 2 minutes ago. Now it looks like it's about to rain. So maybe even God doesn't want to keep this bed, you know what I'm saying? We should just throw it before she gets home. Or are you gonna speak anymore?
No.
Why not? Just so you cannot speak in Nepali for a little bit, you cannot even speak at all. First piece done, so we're gonna head out to a big one now. Now guys, guys, I'm not a professional painter or a woodworker, but when your mom tells you to do something, might as well do it, right? This is gonna be something new, different in my channel. It's like a house project. What would you do if your mom told you to do something like this? Front one is done, now the back side of it. Not gonna lie, so far, so fun. And now a little break. So the front two big pieces are done. Now the small ones. Cloudy, but not rainy yet. Part 3 done, but then check this one out. This one is like molded already. It's too molded. I mean, so far out of all these blocks, I think this is the worst one. So let's see how this one turns out. Number 3. Let's get it going. First, I just want to get these edges. So after I'm done painting it, I don't have to go back to the edges and do it again. The edges. Since my accident, I haven't gone outside to vlog, so I thought it was a good idea to vlog this out, you know. Just doing anything to bring you guys more feed. Go first. Shiny. Oh man, it looks like it's about to rain. But anyways, look at this. That turned out to be this. So it all turned out to be this way. What do you guys think? How did we do? How did my brother do? Wait, guys, what do you think we did? It's good?
Yes.
That's all. Yeah, it's about to rain, so we're gonna go put this inside, and that's it, guys. Comment if you liked about something about the video, and yeah, turn from graveyard to green yard. Lovely. SounVentures out. SounVentures out there. Okay, SounVentures out.
SounVentures out.
Yes.